Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the graphic mod which I'm using in my FiveM. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the graphic mod which I'm using in my FiveM is QuantV. So only from the QuantV, you won't get this type of graphic quality over here. As you can see, through QuantV, you will get this type of looks. So with the QuantV, I'm using my own custom ReShade pack and preset to get this type of graphic quality. You can get the presets and the ReShade pack from my coffee store. I'll put the link in the description below. You can get it from there. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.